Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to buy things on Amazon using PayPal balance. Well, you don't actually use PayPal as a payment method on Amazon at checkout directly, but this is a workaround method that you can use PayPal balance to buy Amazon gift cards and then use the Amazon gift cards to buy things on Amazon. I know that some of you may say that you already know the websites like eBay or other gift card selling websites that allow you to buy Amazon gift cards using PayPal payment. Yes, it is true. However, what really differentiates between the website that I'm about to show you and the other websites, including eBay, is that if you try to buy Amazon gift cards on eBay, let's say we go to eBay and you search for Amazon gift cards. Okay, let's filter it to buy now. You can see if you want to buy only just $10 Amazon gift card, you have to pay $19.95. It's like 200% already. They just charge you much more than its original price, like 50 Amazon gift card, you pay $75.99. So this is outrageous. And I tried to search for many other websites already. It's similar. You want to buy the Amazon gift card using PayPal, still you have to overpay it. They overcharge you too much. Like this situation, like 200%, sometimes 50% more than the original price. I have tried to find a website that sells a reasonable price or the exact price as the value of the card itself. I have tried to find many years, not many, maybe several years. And today I found one website that only charges you the exact amount on the Amazon gift card. Here's the website. It's called pcgamesupply.com. So you can buy lots of things here. You can see you have lots of choices like game cards. You can buy Xbox, PlayStation gift card and a lot more here. And for iTunes gift cards as well here. But there's one drawback of this app. It only allows you to buy gift cards for stores in the US, Canada and UK. So if you're living in one of these countries, then you're good to go. If you're not, then I'm sorry. So again, you have lots of choices to buy. Here the Amazon gift card. You can see they have Amazon gift card for US, UK and Canada. And the price is exactly what you see. You click on 10, it's $10. They don't overcharge you. And another great thing about this is that as soon as you purchase the gift card, it will send you the code immediately. But the first thing you need to sign in first. So in order to sign in, you have to sign up an account. Here click register. And you type in your name, your last name, email, password, and then you're good to go. Remember this email, make sure you use your real email because after you purchase the gift card, it will send to this email. So make sure you use the email that you use every day. Let me sign in mine. This website is kind of slow as well, so be patient with it. So at first you see, because it's kind of slow like that, I really don't trust it much. I try with a $5 Amazon gift card. If you go to my account here my first order, $5. So I try with $5 first to see if it really works because it doesn't look trustworthy to me. But after I purchase it and try it, it just works exactly what it's supposed to be. Here you can see here, after you purchase it, it will instantly send you this, even though they say the gift card is still being processed, but they already send you the code. Just click here to activate. And once you activate, they show you the Amazon gift card code that you can copy and paste in the Amazon redeem section, and then you can redeem it. So after I purchase the $5, I know that it's trustworthy, and then I keep purchasing more. Here, I purchased two, $10 and $25. It all work. I already redeemed it, and I will show you another one, a live demonstration that it's not a fake website. It really works. Again, also you can purchase the iTunes as well. In here, it's exactly what you see. The price is not more than it's supposed to be. So let's try buying the Amazon because this is what the video is all about. I want to buy the $10 gift card. And also one more thing, after you create an account, if they ask you to verify the account, just verify it. That's all you have to do because they want to know exactly this is the right email, not a fake email. Okay, let's add to the cart. And then you click on PayPal check. So here, so you click continue, it means I agree to purchase it. Let's do so. Now it's done. It says thank you for using PC Game Supply. And it says your order is currently being processed. Even though they say that, but it's right here. So I will show you the live redemption of the card right now, because they will send you a link to the email that you register with this website, and I will do that on my phone so that you see that it's real. Look at the date here, November the 2nd, 2019. You can see on my phone here, that's the link they sent to me after I purchase it. Just go to there. Here you can see the code. Just copy this code like so, and then go to Amazon.com, Amazon website, or just the app here, and click on gift cards and registry. And currently I have $243.66, and click on it, and it allows me to redeem an Amazon gift card. You just tap on it and it will show you the paste. That's the code at the moment. You click apply to your balance and you're done. You see, $10 gift card was applied to your account. Now I have $253.66. It just worked. This website is really awesome. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.